Hey guys, welcome to Top Apps. I'm Zach, your host. And first, let's thank our wonderful host here, which is Kosan's Coffee over in Subang Jaya SS15. So let's get into it. It's an app that's been around for quite some time and a website that's been around for even longer. It's TripAdvisor. Now I know this isn't probably new to a lot of you, but I want to feature it anyway and remind you how great this application really is. First of all, if you didn't know, it is available on Android, iOS, and even Windows phones and tablets. So it's more accessible than almost every app out there because who develops for Windows Phone? Not that many. So let me show you what it can really do. You can find hotels, restaurants, attractions, and even flights on TripAdvisor for local stuff and international stuff. So it doesn't really matter where you are in the world, but Malaysia is starting to pick up on TripAdvisor, and I've noticed a lot of cafes and a lot of hotels and bed and breakfasts and stuff like that. They're starting to get and promote their TripAdvisor page. And one of the best things about TripAdvisor is it's all about user-generated content. It's got reviews and ratings which are based on people. People go to somewhere and then they leave a comment, they write a review. So you really know the experiences of the people having there. So let me show you how it works. Let's check out Near Me Now. This is one of the best features there are. Near Me Now, let's say you're looking for lunch and you want to find a restaurant. So let's find a restaurant which is near me now. And it'll just load, and as long as you have a data plan or internet connection, it will find restaurants which are located near you. So these are all restaurants which are located in the Subang Jaya area, and it's great, it's easy. So deciding where you're gonna go for lunch is a lot easier with this sort of app, because you know how that happens where you're at work or you're with your friends and you'll ask, where are we gonna eat? Where are we gonna eat? And no one can decide where. So let me show you how the app really works. When you actually find a place, it will show a bunch of pictures taken by people. So these aren't pictures uploaded by the cafe itself, it's uploaded by users. And you can scroll down and you can see reviews, and you can see that they rate it and they leave a review, and it's great. So you know this place is pretty decent and you're gonna enjoy it. And what's even more interesting is that besides restaurants, which is pretty straightforward, you can find flights, holiday rentals, and bookings, and all of that. And you can save your favorites, of course, if you keep going to the same place. But checking flights is great because you can just set in your date where you want to go, and it's going to load, and it's going to find all the flights from all the different airlines and list the prices there for one-way trip or round trip, and it's great. Finding flights has never been easier than this. So in general, TripAdvisor is one of the best apps out there. It's a must if you're traveling, whether you're going locally, whether you're going to Singapore or anywhere else in the world. TripAdvisor is great because it's global, really. But even if you're staying locally and you're not really traveling and you just want to find where lunch is, you want to find maybe a hotel, you want to stay in the city for a night, then it's great for that as well. Overall, it's a fantastic app and super, super useful.
The Multimedia Development Corporation, or MDEC, via its MSc Malaysia Icon program and Nokia, announced the success of their partnership at the graduation ceremony of the pioneering class of the developers under this program.
We started the partnership with Nokia in January 2013 after the Windows 8 platform was made available, and there are more users on this platform. So we thought it would be a good idea that we expand the icon to also cover this new platform to provide more opportunities for our local developers to reach out to wider market space.
The top 10 outstanding icon developers out of the 138 will be selected to be prominently featured in Malaysia across advertising materials, retail channels, events and roadshows. The chosen developers will also get access to the latest Nokia devices to test and develop their applications.
One thing that I'm very excited about is that for all the phone, Lumia phone, under Nokia is preloaded with one icon. See, our project is icon. They also have an icon on the marketplace where anyone who has that phone will have easy access to all the apps developed, our developers on this platform. And we thought that's a very fantastic opportunity for our developers.
The partnering between Icon and Nokia builds an ecosystem that encourages integration and monetization, creates awareness, and facilitates efficient distribution within the local and global industry network.
I joined Icon 2 in year 2012, and from there we were trained to build iOS apps. And then later on, after we finish Icon 2, and then comes Icon 3 where they train us on Windows. So I just joined in so that I can port the apps or create the apps in Windows as well. That's how we started.
When I start doing these things that is still very pre-matured skill, and I come across this Icon program for Windows Phone that recommended by one of my friends, that I joined this program, and we learn more detailed skill to how to improve our skill set, and to get new to a lot of new developer, a very good developer in this community, and we help each other to refine our programming skill.
To date, both the Icon and Icon 2 programs have upskilled and coached 448 Malaysians to create 464 mobile apps, 178 of which are on the Windows Phone platform.